We are going fishing.
I'm actually gonna go. I know you're not hungry.
So that should be a bathroom there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty.
That is so pretty.
A nice vitamin in my tongue. I'm gonna go again when we leave. I'm scared. Can llamas bite?
No.
Oh, I see one. Oh, hello, boy. What are you doing? Okay, whatever. Oh my God, you moved. Alright, whatever you are doing, that is not like to do, boy. Yeah, annoying.
Guys, pay attention because I don't want you rolling down the hill.
What if we do?
Then you're going to get hurt and fall in the water. You already know.
He can't get hurt and fall in the water.
You, it's only you.
Right, I'm gonna go this. I'm gonna go fish. And I'm gonna go take this. And I'm gonna go take this. And I'm gonna
What happened?
go cheese.
You want to take a picture of you? You want to go by the tree?
Here, if I fall. Is it beautiful?
Careful, Libby.
Bunch of tables where you can sit down at.
Adirondack chairs.
I'm surprised they're open.
Nice tables, bathrooms are in there, everything. Look over here, there's more.
I thought they have a little duck.
I know,
You want chairs?
Oh, you even got the table on the deck. That's too cute.
I know, that's too cute. Somebody put it there, help them out. We get the
Just
blanket.
for us. First come, first serve. You slow, you blow.
Yeah, this water's so clear.
Yeah, right. Look at
As Mike would say, you snooze, you lose.
Oh, we were stranded on an island. That was
Look how clear
Yeah.
this is, man.
Put this stuff right here on the floor.
I'm sorry.
Scared me.
Inside, you don't do. Inside, beautiful.
Photobomb.
I'll do it before we leave.
Olivia, look.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Anthony, give me a
Got
pull.
fireplace, everything.
Say cheese, guys, with the worms.
scared.
Guys, say cheese with the worms. Hurry up. That is way.
Corona.
Should I take one out and hold it while you're taking a picture of me?
Corona.
Coronavirus. Oh yeah, pick it up. I'm scared. Oh, I took a piece of dirt off of it. They're so slimy, you can't even pick them up.
Hashtag favorite DD.
That's it. Ladies, look at my back of my head. Look at the camera.
Look,
Victoria
look this way.
and,
Go, go.
Olivia, look. Over this way.
Move, Anthony.
Anthony photobomb.
Sorry.
Anthony, take a picture of me, Jessica, and
Olivia.
Ita.
Olivia.
Take a nice
I'm
one.
doing something, man.
Ready? Come on, Ita.
Oh my gosh, it's cute. Even though Anthony's in it.
Yeah, what is that? That was mine for Vicky has it. Ready? No, I'm going to the she's smaller. No, the biggest one.
Olivia. Olivia even fell off the chair.
She's fine. Don't stop putting your hands in your fucking mouth. Take your hands.
I told her that 100
You're
times.
touching the table and everything. You drive me nuts.
And touching worms.
Yeah, word. You're gonna grow worms.
Look how pretty. What is it? You can put it in your plate. Oh, here's something. Nobody has it.
They're alive.
Ew, you guys touch
Hey,
it.
guys,
Just take,
Oh,
hey, can I just take one picture of you?
You touch
Right, go by the lake right there. Just one, because I don't have.
oh my God.
Go.
Can I take a picture
Smile.
with it? Oh God. Is that its face?
Oh, look at the other side. Look, you can go to the other side too.
That's
Look,
what I was looking at.
whole loop.
OMG.
I put it on a bench.
Yeah.
The sun is coming out. That's awesome. Can you what's that? Have an SD card in it?
I send it to my phone and I
I'm
send
trying to
everybody
get
else.
out. I'm trying to get out. I'm trying to get out.
Definitely clear.
That's not good. That's not good.
What is that?
No, you're not getting out.
Brand is that?
No, boy. No, let me get
The
out.
Canon Rebel. Vicky, Jessica, take a picture of me and Michael.
Don't come out.
That shit was expensive, yo.
Yeah, no, mommy got one
For
too.
Christmas, I got it on sale too. I was like, shit, it was like $1,000, and on sale I paid like.
Yeah, do not open that because that is gonna come out.
Yeah. She uses it for her baking business, so she can have professional pictures.
Good, yeah.